Hello there. On behalf of our program creators, Phil Lounder and Daryl O'Brien, I'm Kim Turner. Welcome to our next business tool, the Big Rocks exercise. In this exercise, we're going to discover what your real priorities are, your big rocks. As the story goes, a teacher is addressing his class. He fills a jug with big rocks and asks the class if it's full. The class responds with a yes. So he adds pebbles to the jug. He asks again if the jug is full, and the class again responds yes. He says no, and now adds some sand to the jug. As the story or this analogy represents, if we don't fit our big rocks in first, our lives will fill with only sand and pebbles. But if we start with our big rocks, we create room for what's important in life, and the sand and the pebbles can only fill the spaces in between. So here, you're able to dissect where you spend your time and then align your time with your real priorities, your big rocks. Your goal is to recognize time and energy wasters and to make decisions about what's really important, and then decide on what changes will improve you and your business productivity. So the Big Rocks exercise is a 3-step process. Step 1, answer these key questions. Take your time and really think these questions through. 1, where or on what do you currently spend most of your time? Here you make a list of whatever jumps into your mind. 2, what is the single biggest thing that zaps your time at present? Those negative or unwanted time zappers. And 3, what needs to change? 4, take a few moments to consider what's truly important to you in life right now. What are your top 3 priorities in life? Again, make a list of whatever pops into your mind. And 5, what one thing is most important to you right now? Step 2, fill in your big rocks. Here, your job is to identify and prioritize your rocks and your activities. Firstly, using the story we've started as your guide, write out your key priorities and activities on the biggest rocks below. Now think carefully, what are your real big rocks in life right now? What's most important to you in life? Now, fill in the smaller rocks, your pebbles, with your next lower level priorities or activities. Then, in the tiny gaps between the rocks, write your lowest priorities and activities. Finally, prioritize your big rocks from 1 to 5. 3, review your learnings. What changes will you make? How does where you currently spend your time compare to your big rocks, your real priorities? What does this tell you? What needs to change? What could you be doing differently? What's the easiest change you could make to prioritize your time better? What are you willing to change to prioritize your time better? Now, smash those obstacles. What could get in your way? If you were going to sabotage yourself, how would you do it? What will you commit to? What will you change or do differently? Take a look at the entire worksheet and identify 3 actions you'll take to focus on your big rocks in life. Finally, think about the biggest thing you've learned about yourself from doing this Big Rocks exercise. So good luck working through and completing your Big Rocks exercise. We'll see you in the next video.